Ever wondered how to keep your comforter feeling like a cloud? Let's dive into 5 pro tips that will give your bedding a luxurious lift. Welcome back, cozy enthusiasts. If your comforter is starting to sag instead of fluffed like a marshmallow, fret not. Today, we're unlocking 5 pro tips to keep your comforter lofty and feeling brand new. First up, let's talk about the power of shaking. That's right. Every time you make your bed, give your comforter a good shake. Grab the corners and vigorously fluff it up, shaking out any lumps or flat areas. This simple act redistributes the fill inside, reviving that plush look and feel. Now, if you want to take it a step further, consider a gentle tumble in the dryer. Set it on low with a couple of clean tennis balls or dryer balls. This will help to break up clumps and circulate the fill, ensuring an even distribution. Plus, it adds a touch of warmth and softness that you can't beat. Next, let's discuss fresh air. Believe it or not, your comforter loves a little sunshine. Every couple of months, hang it outside on a sunny day. The sunlight not only refreshes the fabric and eliminates odors, but also helps to kill off any pesky allergens. Just make sure it's not too windy. No one wants a runaway comforter. Now, while we adore comforters, washing them can throw a wrench in their fluffiness. So, be cautious. When you do wash it, use a gentle cycle and the right detergent. Look for something soft and mild. After washing, dry it thoroughly to prevent mold and mildew. Finally, my 5th tip is simple: invest in a comforter cover. Not only does it add style, but it protects your comforter from dirt, spills, and wear. You can easily wash the cover while your comforter stays pristine underneath. So there you have it, 5 easy pro tips to keep your comforter looking and feeling fluffy and fresh. Implement these into your routine, and you'll be snuggling up in a cozy cloud every night. Which tip will you try first? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more cozy life hacks.